Guys, it's me, Ira again. So, ayan, pinakita ko na yung sabon kasi magsasabon na tayo. Bali, sunod na yan, panoorin nyo na lang yung mga steps.
G21 Kojic Papaya and Honey Oatmeal Soap contains kojic to lighten visible sun damage, papaya vitamin A, and papain enzyme, oatmeal and honey, effective natural remedy for skin lightening and bright. G21 Toner benefits. Antioxidant and anti-aging protects skin from UV radiation, relieves inflammation, soothes skin irritations, fights acne, treat eczema, removes dead skin.
Pwede nyo siyang ilagay sa cotton or kung saan kayo komportable.
G21 Serum lightens dark spots and pimple marks, treat acne-prone and irritated skin, as well leaves beautiful glowing skin.
Disclaimer po, hindi po yan sponsored pero baka naman G21 became me. Super legit talaga yung mga products and affordable po. Bilib na.
Pero si Shopee.
Bioaka Gold Collagen Eye Mask benefits anti-puffiness, reducing dark circles under eyes, moisturizing, hydrating. Benefits for a 24K Gold Collagen Serum Facial Mask, anti-aging and anti-wrinkles. With active 99.9% gold foil and collagen, it can resist skin senility and compact the skin.
When I go solo, bulaga.
So, ayun lang. Dito na nagtatapos ang aking tutorial. So, ayun. Tagalin lang natin yan ng 15 minutes. And then, ayusin mo lang dahil di sa'yo kasha. So, okay na. Antayin mo na lang na maging alien ka.